So what that is the hydraulic steering cylinder, and the seals are shot on it. And so we leak oil wherever we go. You can trail this tractor down the road, down the gravel lane, and you can see the streak of oil that it's leaving. Good thing oil is cheap, about $15 for 5 gallons. And so we just keep it full of oil. I'm getting ready to repair this tractor, at least the leak, and then I hope to get into some other issues like the starter, like the cab, and so forth. But going to get this leak fixed. I had to order a special wrench and some parts, so that'll be upcoming. So just wanted to share with you some of the typical equipment here at the orchard, and just show you what we're up against. Thanks. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. So what that is the hydraulic steering cylinder, and the seals are shot on it. And so we leak oil wherever we go. You can trail this tractor down the road, down the gravel lane, and you can see the streak of oil that it's leaving. Good thing oil is cheap, about $15 for 5 gallons. And so we just keep it full of oil. I'm getting ready to repair this tractor, at least. Got just an O-ring on this side. Look at that, that's a crack right there in the white. I don't know if you can see it, but I would say that's the main issue we had with the Valdez leaking here. So it got past, the oil was getting past that under high pressure and pushing out through here. So that's probably due just to age. That's like a plastic piece. So we'll dig this out and keep track of the order of things and see if we can rebuild using the kit that I picked up from the dealer. And there's that, the outside. And this feels like an O-ring in there. There we go. What's behind the white piece of plastic? But boy, look at that. It's got some issues. Again, that's age, I'm sure. But yeah, that's why it's leaking. That piece. Now, I don't know if this is designed, it may be designed with that slit in there, I don't know. Kind of like a snap ring. I'll look at the kit and see what it looks like. That replacement piece, because it's pretty straight across there, so maybe that's part of the design. First one I've done the steel here, so learning as I go. We'll take a look at the hydraulic steering cylinder and take a look at it as well. You can see it from there. I just got it laying on the front of the tractor there, but that's it. And in the center is the some other seals that hopefully the kit contains and that we can replace. But this sits inside the cylinder housing, and to turn, hydraulic oil is pushed in to turn that way. It pushes against this ram center here, and it forces it to push this way inside the cylinder. And then to go the other way, there's another supply of oil, and it's pushed that way. And that's how hydraulic steering, simply put, in my layman's terms, works. And it's pretty cool, as long as everything doesn't leak. So this is the other end, the housing. Looks like it's got similar setup here. The external piece, I guess we'll find out whether or not, yeah, that white ring is supposed to have a slit. So, able to use two hands. I got the rest of this out, and same setup as on the other side. Got the piece here. It's not as bad shape as the opposite side, but starting to get some wear right on the inside edge there. You can see it. Again, the white snap ring is in there, and I was mistaken earlier. It's supposed to have a slit, and the outside ring last. So, and three from the other side there. Let's get the kit out and see what it looks like compared to these. So here's the kit that I got from the dealer, and I can already see that's the wrong kit because there is nothing in there this size. It's smaller. So I'm going to have to go back to the dealer and have them re-look up the part. I did give them the serial number of the tractor, so I'm not sure what happened there, but that is not going to work. So not going to get this job done today. Bummer. But that's how things go here on the orchard. It doesn't work right the first time usually, and so you gotta regroup and try again. Thanks. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.